sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back what we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. Here in the crowd, I am so out of place. My heart on my sleeve and a smile on my face. Wishing for style for the cool kids to see. I'm just a misfit dreaming of what I could be. Oh, I wish that I was cool like them, but here I am, just me in my own skin. It's just me in my own skin. Me in my own skin. Yeah. Dripped on my shoes, yeah, that's how it goes. Laughing it off, but my face really shows. Scroll through my phone, but there's nothing to see. There's no DMs or likes for someone like me. Oh, I wish that I was cool like them, but here I am, just me in my own skin. It's just me in my own skin. Me in my own skin. Nobody's buying my lies, but that's no surprise. It's just me in my own skin. Skin. Sometimes all you need is a little bit of confidence. Sometimes just a little bit of self-respect. Now it's my time to step out of my comfort zone, take a chance. When I saw you coming out of the school that day, I knew you'd never be mine. Never. It's just me in my old skin.